Assalamu alaikum and good evening. You are watching Hums Up TV and I am Muneeb Hamid with the news. PM in Russia to attend SCO meeting. Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi arrived here on Thursday to participate in the 16th meeting of the Council of the Heads of Government (CHG) of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Upon his arrival at the airport, the Prime Minister was warmly received by Deputy Governor of Krasnodar Region Valley, Vasyl Shvets, Pakistan's ambassador to Russia, Kazim M. Khalilullah, and other officials. Prime Minister Abbasi is participating in the SCO meeting on the invitation of Russian Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev, which is held from November 30th to December 1st. 9 dead as gunmen storm hostel of Peshawar's Agriculture Training Institute. At least 9 people were killed and 35 others injured as 4 terrorists stormed the hostel of Peshawar's Agricultural Training Institute on Friday morning. The number of casualties is expected to increase. The attack was claimed by the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan. According to initial reports, hospital sources said at least 16 injured had been admitted to Khyber Teaching Hospital. 3 of the wounded succumbed to their injuries. They added, according to hospital officials, there are 7 students, 1 Frontier Corps FC personnel, 1 police officer, a guard and a journalist among the wounded. An emergency has been imposed at the hospital. Trump considering replacing Tillerson with CIA chief, says NYT. Senior administration officials confirmed on Thursday that the White House was considering a plan to replace Secretary of State Rex Tillerson with CIA Director Mike Pompeo, the U.S. media reported. Reports of the expected change, first revealed by the New York Times on Thursday morning, got a boost when President Donald Trump ignored an opportunity to clarify the situation. Asked before a Thursday morning meeting with the Crown Prince of Bahrain whether he wants Mr. Tillerson to remain as Secretary of State, Mr. Trump told reporters that he was still here. U.S. threatens to utterly destroy North Korean regime. The United States warned North Korea's leadership will be utterly destroyed if war breaks out, but its call for nations to cut ties with Pyongyang was rejected by Moscow while Beijing sidestepped talk of an oil embargo. Washington urged tough action at an emergency meeting of the Security Council held Wednesday to respond to North Korea's launch of an intercontinental ballistic missile. Xi praises Obama's efforts to build U.S.-China ties. Chinese President Xi Jinping praised Barack Obama's efforts to develop relations between the nations when he was President of the United States. Chinese state media reported on Thursday. Obama met with Xi on Wednesday at the Diaoyu Tai State Guest House in Beijing and discussed bilateral ties. Lawsuit accuses Google of stealing data of 5 million UK users. A consumer activist launched on Thursday a lawsuit against Google of illegally collecting data on more than 5 million British iPhone users who could possibly see a payout reaching into hundreds of millions. A campaign group dubbed Google You Owe Us says the tech giant owes consumers trust, fairness and money after unlawfully placing cookies on mobile phones between 2011 and 2012. PCB asks ICC to set up dispute resolution committee over conflict with BCCI. Pakistan Cricket Board has requested the International Cricket Council to set up a committee that will arbitrate in its legal dispute with the Board of Control for Cricket in India. In a notice sent to the World Cricketing Body, the PCB has asked the ICC to set up a dispute resolution committee to adjudicate the matter. Weather. Mainly cold and dry weather is expected in most parts of the country. Shallow foggy conditions are likely over few plain areas of Punjab and Upper Sindh during morning hours. And that's all for now. For more news and updates, keep watching Hums Up TV. Take care. Please subscribe to Hums Up TV and hit the notification icon on the screen to get the latest updates of our channel. Thank you for watching Hums Up TV.